The Met Office in Exeter has issued a red snow warning for Central, Tayside, 5, SW Scotland, Lothian Borders and Strathclyde. Snow showers already affecting the area will become heavier and more prolonged later on Wednesday afternoon and at times through the evening and overnight period, with 5 centimeters of snow falling within an hour in some places and letting snow reaching 20-30 centimeters and possibly 40 centimeters in a few places by mid-morning on Thursday. Strong easterly winds will lead to significant drifting of lying snow.